Hey, this is Frank. We're about to remove the clutch and flywheel from this K20 engine that we're preparing for a K-swap. And we've gone through all the preparatory steps in previous videos. In this video, we're just removing the clutch and flywheel. So the flywheel pressure, the clutch pressure plate is held on by these 10 millimeter 10-point bolts. Okay, 12 points. So we're just going to zip them off with the impact. So we have 6 bolts. They are now all off, and this pressure plate should come off. It's held in with dowel pins at this point, and we may have to actually do a little bit of prying on it to convince it to come off. There we go. Be a little bit more. So there's our clutch. This clutch has a little bit of wear, but it's not in too bad of a shape, all considered. And this flywheel is also showing some signs of wear. Okay, so now we have to get these bolts here, which are the flywheel bolts. So these flywheel bolts are 12 points with a 17 millimeter head. I do not have an impact socket with this pattern, so I'm just going to try with a regular 12-point socket and hope for the best. Oh yeah, they come right off. Okay, and this is going pretty smoothly. This flywheel is now off. This thing weighs a ton. No, literally, this thing probably weighs about 18 or 20 pounds. And we're going to be replacing it with a lightened flywheel. And now we have a close look at this rear main seal. And we'll have to consider whether we want to replace this rear main seal or not. There's no evidence of any leakage, but this is a 200,000 mile engine, and it's now or never for the rear main seal. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. In the coming videos, we'll be disassembling the transmission and putting in limited slip differential, also inspecting for any other maintenance that would need to be done on the transmission. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.